this website just sent me $16.91, almost $17 to my FaucetPay wallet address. So as you can see, this is a payment proof for this website. Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestions or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps. So guys, previously I have made a video about this website and I will show you today the payment proof. I have placed a link of the tutorial video and the link to this website. So as you can see, this website have two options: earn money for viewing ads, earn Satoshi for surfing. Auto surfing, you can start earning by touching start earning, and also you can promote your web page, unique visitors to your web page just from 5,000 Satoshi per 1,000 unique views, and you can add your website link and promote it. So as you can see, my balance is 37,200 Satoshi. Click on the three line and click the withdraw button. As you can see, since October 2020, commission on the Bitcoin network have increased by about 5 times, and it has become very unprofitable to withdraw small amounts. Sometimes the commission for the payment could be more than the amount sent itself, while the Bitcoin network maintains high sending fee. This website are raising the minimum amount for withdrawing to Bitcoin wallet. Please use alternative withdrawal method, FaucetPay and Express Crypto, if you want to withdraw funds faster. So I will show you how to withdraw to FaucetPay wallet address. Click on to FaucetPay, it shows error, so please go to change FaucetPay wallet page and enter valid Bitcoin address linked to FaucetPay. Click on change FaucetPay wallet and go to FaucetPay wallet. As you can see, on my FaucetPay wallet there is $0.26. You will see the change when I withdraw from this website to my FaucetPay wallet account. So click on deposit, you will find your Bitcoin wallet address here. Copy your wallet address and get back to the first website and click here to get code to change wallet address. It asks you to sign in again. Sign in using your Google account. Choose your Google account and again repeat the same step to withdraw and to configure your wallet address. Click the three line and click again the withdraw button. Again click change FaucetPay wallet and I will get a space to enter your FaucetPay wallet address. Paste it here and submit your FaucetPay wallet address. So go back to withdraw and choose FaucetPay. Your withdrawal will be processed in 3 business days from the date of request. As you can see, I will withdraw all amount of Satoshi to my FaucetPay wallet address. Click withdraw. So as you can see, my withdrawal is processing. My balance goes to 0 because the Satoshi is went to FaucetPay wallet address. After waiting for 3 business days, this website just sent me $16.91, almost $17 to my FaucetPay wallet address. So as you can see, this is a payment proof for this website. This website will pay you for viewing short ads. This is the best way to earn passive online income. So that's it everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.